What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're looking at the Shiatsu massager by FitRx I picked up at Walmart for $35. Today let's do an unboxing of first impressions, see what comes in the box, see the quality of the item, and last but not least, test it out to find out if a $35 massage tool is any good. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and first impressions. So here in front of us is the Shiatsu massager by FitRx. For $35, I think it's a pretty good deal. Whether or not this compares to other options, we'll have to find that out. But as you can see, what catches my attention first and foremost is the price tag and the amount of options you get. So first you can tell 3 heads for different types of massage, and most importantly, variable power. The knob looks like it goes between 1 and 10, so probably 10 variable power settings, which means it could work slower or faster. And of course, paired with 3 different heads, and not to mention the ergonomic hand grip, which allows you to get to hard to reach places. Like I said, for $35, quite a few relief options with this massager by FitRx. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and first impressions to find out if this is comparable to other more expensive handheld massagers. Okay, so now that we've done the introduction, let's get to the good stuff. So first and foremost, what you get in the box is a user manual. This covers everything from warranty information to the product itself, how to use it, when to use it, where to use it. You can also see the massager for yourself. First impressions are good quality, and most importantly, 2 additional massage heads. What I like here is the simplicity and ease of use. Simply plug the massager in, attach whichever head you want to attach, and reference the user manual to figure out what exactly you can use this for. So now that we've done the unboxing and introduction, let's take a deeper look, including the additional massage head. So as you can see, what is probably most noticeable here is this black netting, which does come detached. It is a separate piece. And most importantly, our 3 massage heads. So on the massager is the ball head massage. This is a sort of deep kneading massage, but as you can see, fairly cumbersome actually to get each massage head off the massager. What I would have liked to have seen is perhaps a latch here to lock each head into place and release it easier. Pulling each head off is not only cumbersome but also risky. I think the chances of breaking this massager increase just simply due to the poor design of having to pull them off the massager. And most importantly, you must read the user manual to figure this out, but this black netting here is actually a separate piece that locks and unlocks and belongs or just basically covers each massage head. Not only does this keep the massager more sanitary, but also adds a more therapeutic effect. Okay, this is pretty random, but what this massager reminds me of is a camera with an interchangeable lens. And the reason I say that is because of the way you have to remove this netting. So as you can see, it actually locks into place, but to reattach it, you actually have to rotate the ring back and then back forward again to lock it into place. Very similar actually to a camera with an interchangeable lens. What would have been cool and what would have kept this design language, I think, more intact is instead of this knob at the back to adjust the speed, why not put that knob, maybe make it into a rotating ring at the front of the massager so you can adjust it as if it were a zoom lens. Pretty interesting design characteristic. Sad that it's only applied to this plastic netting around the massage head. Now, luckily for you, this is a first true impressions because I haven't tried this yet. All I know is that it's a rotating head and you get 3 heads and probably 15 or 20 different speeds. Now, first thing is first, before we start this first impressions, what's really nice is actually the highly adjustable and customizable speed setting. So it clicks into place when it's off, but once you turn it on, it's pretty much a 180-degree variable speed knob. So perhaps even greater than 15 or 20 different speed settings, perhaps unlimited, because like I said, it is fully adjustable at 180 degrees. So as you're probably aware, this is the ripple head. Now, what's great about the ripple head is it punches you, it vibrates violently, and actually gives a calming effect. But what you'll probably notice is it's good for one area at one time. Moving it around from place to place is probably the job of the ball head. So let's go ahead and just remove this here quickly. As you can see, it is the ripple head. You can see the undulations on it. Like I said, this is great for a targeted approach, just one area at a time, and probably good to press into your skin. Like I said, dragging it across your body, it's fine if you let the massager just do the work. But like I said, to target something and get a more deep kneading effect, you'll definitely want to hold it in one position. So because my first intuition is to drag this from area to area, you know, behind my back and across my chest, let's actually take a look at the ball joint head. So this one I assume will glide across the body, and I think that's probably what it's designed for. And as you can see, it does actually work better. It actually tickles me a little bit. So like I said, dragging this from area to area across my chest in this half moon sort of crescent type motion, back behind my shoulders. The ball joint head is perfect for this, but my only complaint is the netting. Like I said, it does a great job of protecting the massage head from making contact with your skin and collecting just skin particles and hair follicles and things of that nature. It helps keep the overall cleanliness of the massager better had it not come with the netting. But like I said, because half of the enjoyment is applying it to the top of your skin, what would have been nice is a softer, smoother netting. Now this netting is fine, it's durable, it's not entirely abrasive, but it does scratch, and it is just a tad scratchy. Dragging it maybe on more of the important parts of your body, such as your face, which will also be an intuition, you might want to stray away from this because it can be just a little bit rough. And last but not least, I think you saw from the demonstration, we are taking a look at the circular rotating blade head, we'll call it. Let's find out just exactly how to best make use of this. It is, I think, the most sophisticated accessory here and the most abstract. So let's do a little bit of research and I will come back with the first impressions here momentarily. Just like the ripple head, it's best used one area at a time, not dragging it across your body. Again, dragging it across the body is actually counterintuitive because the blade actually scratches your skin, and because, like I said earlier, the netting over the massage head is rather coarse and rough, like I said, not ideal dragging it across your body. Now, as you can see, the ergonomics actually are fantastic. Being able to apply pressure using the handle and rotate the knob using your thumb makes this super easy to use. Reaching around to the back, behind my neck, at my shoulder blades is difficult to do. On the back of the box, it says that you can do this, but I find it's just a little bit cumbersome. What gets in the way, as you can see, is the cord strewn across my chest here. Just a little bit difficult. It's a little bit heavy. Behind the back would be much better had someone been here doing it for me. So as you can see, where this design is actually advantageous, given its short handle, is the wide massage head, which allows you, as you can see, to easily grip it and apply it to the back along your lats and at the side of your body. And again, just to reiterate, because this massage head rotates and spins 360 degrees, removing the massage head is just kind of idiotic feeling. Anyways, guys, that has been an unboxing and first impressions of the Shiatsu massager by FitRx. I picked up at Walmart for $35. Because I picked this up at Walmart, that makes it a big box good. A couple of things I disliked about this massager: it's a little bit misleading. On the front of the box is a man holding it behind his head, when in fact it's just a little bit cumbersome. It's a little bit heavy. This cord gets in the way, making it difficult to hold on to. And not to mention the shortened handle. Where this does excel is actually at the lower portion of your back and at the sides of your body. The large diameter massage head actually makes it easy to grip and hold on to and apply pressure into the side of your body or at your lower back. And also, as you can see, the rings here make it easy to grip and intuitive to grip. And also the thumb control at the back of this massager with its various speed levels makes it easy, but just a tad misleading. And also, this netting is just a little bit scratchy. Had this been a microfiber netting, it would have been much softer, I think. So a couple of the takebacks, like I said, are: one, that this netting is scratchy; B, that it's misleading and that it's easier to apply at the lower part of your back and difficult to apply at the upper part of the back. And the third takeback, I would say, not necessarily my own gripe with this massage tool, but could be a gripe for you, is the fact that it needs to be plugged into a wall and does not have a pre-charged lithium-ion battery, which some massagers may have. I do, in fact, appreciate this design because needing to charge a massage tool is just, I think, more of a hassle and would actually take away from the experience. Being able to plug this in at a moment's notice and get relief is, I think, the way to go. But what I like here is the 3 different heads. Also, the over 20 options for choosing a speed. You can actually choose whichever speed you like. It simply floats freely, probably over 200 degrees, so you get an infinitesimal amount of speed options, which I love. And couple that with the 3 different massage heads, there are just 100 ways of setting this and finding relief. So I think that actually leads me into my last point. Using something like this every day actually becomes less and less enjoyable, which, again, the fact that this has the 3 additional heads and the basically infinitesimal speed variations actually makes this highly worth the $35 I paid for it. So with that being said, I'm going to go and close out this video. A couple of really hard to pronounce words today. I know their definitions, it's just hard to say them. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this unboxing and first impressions and demonstration. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you so much again for tuning in. My name is John. I will see you in the next video.